If car advice on YouTube keeps wasting your money, this channel is for you. I'm your motor guru, and I cut through the clickbait and half-truths to give you real car advice that actually works. Ever had a mechanic quote you a huge bill for a problem you don't fully understand? Or heard a strange engine noise and had no idea whether it's serious or not? On this channel, you'll learn why cars really break down, how to spot unnecessary repairs, and how to handle simple checks and fixes that can save you thousands over the life of your car. Every tip here is backed by real service manuals, proven technical sources, and professional mechanic knowledge, not guesses, myths, or viral nonsense. I break everything down clearly, practically, and without jargon, so you can make smart decisions even if you're not a car expert. And yes, I'll keep it entertaining, because car care shouldn't feel like a punishment. No fluff, no gimmicks, just honest, evidence-based car wisdom. Subscribe if you want fewer surprises, lower repair bills, and a car that actually lasts. Your car deserves it, and so do you.